Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at Jong Hyun from SHINee's solo album, Poet Artist. This is actually my first solo album from him. Ooh. So it looks like we got the CD behind the flap. Ooh. These are nice. Ooh. It's like each photo is a different location, different outfit. Must have been one long photo shoot. Oh, here we go. Looks nice. Ooh. Got some code for some app thing. Ooh, I love these tattoos. Kind of excited to listen to the album. I haven't listened to it yet. I haven't listened to really any SHINee music since his passing. He had such a nice voice too. I heard SHINee still toured though. That they got his family's approval to continue their tour. I love the tattoo though. Inspiration. It's nice. I love all the locations. They did a nice job too, between close-ups and full body shots. I think it's nice. Oh, this is nice. Kind of like a little behind the scenes photos from little different events. That's nice. No, nothing behind this one. That was nice. I kind of liked that they had this little cover. They kind of held the CD, kind of hid it a little bit. I like this orange tone. Thought the photos were really, really nice. I'm kind of excited to listen to the music too. Like I said, I haven't really listened to anything SHINee related in a while, but let me know what you guys think of the album and the photo book. Recommend me your favorite song in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share, and until the next video. Bye, guys.